Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Z55 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to install the support app for the smartwatch. So we already have here the QR code, okay, in the user manual. Okay, let me show it to you. So we have here the QR code, and we also have it here, I think, in the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the installation of the support app of the Z55 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready now. Okay, so let's check the QR code here. I think it's available here. Let's press it. Okay, so let's check the QR code. Okay, so we have here the QR code. I think it's also available here in the quick settings. Okay, so it's here. Download the app. Okay, so let's scan. Okay, I'm not sure if what is the QR code here because it's not stated here in the support in the user manual. It is just the QR code. So let's see, let's scan. Okay. Okay, so let's make it clear here. Just wait. Okay. You have to clean the camera to make it clear. Okay. Like it's not working. I think we have to put it in a better match lighting condition. Okay. Let me adjust the lighting here. Let's see. Okay, so it's now scanned, and oh, it's a Fitpro app. Okay, Fitpro. So it's a link. Let's go to website. Let's see. You can search it directly in the Google Play Store. Okay, if it's Fitpro or the App Store. So it is really a Fitpro app. So we have here on the App Store a link. So this one, if you want to side load, okay, install it manually, we have here in the Google Play. Okay, so let's choose the Google Play to be safe. Tap on Google Play. So let's see, did it open the application? No. Okay, not. Okay, let's search it here. Let's see. Again, it is using the Fitpro. Okay, so we are very familiar with the support app, but it's been a while since we have installed the Fitpro application. Okay, let's see if there are some new feature offering for the smartwatch. Fitpro. Okay, just search. Okay, so we have here the application and tap on install. So let's wait. Okay, so we'll get back to you when, of course, the installation is done. Okay, okay, it is now installing. So let's see. Okay, so let's see if there's some changes, if what is the latest update. Okay, let's see some details on the support app. Optimize the user experience and fix known problems. So November 15, 2022. Okay, it was recently updated. Okay, with over 50 million downloads now. Okay, just less than 30 MB. Still a very lightweight application. Okay, I guess it's still a popular application. And the other one is HRY Fine application. It's also becoming popular and becoming an alternative for the Fitpro app. It's now opening. Okay, so let's see. And it's done. So let's open the application Fitpro. So let's see. If you want a comprehensive tutorial, okay, for this application, you can check our video. Okay, so user protocol, agree. So let's see if we'll have a smooth installation. Okay, permission, just agree. Call logs, other SMS. Okay, and it's done. Okay, so that's it. Our Bluetooth here is automatically activated. Okay, so we have here home, set, motion, as well as mine. So let's go to motion. Okay, so we have here bind devices to experience more features. Tap on it. Okay, so here another permission. Allow Fitpro to access this device location. Allow it. So let's see. It's now scanning. Okay, Ultra 8. Our smartwatch is Z55. Okay, so it's not Tank M1. Maybe this is the Ultra 8. Let's see. Let's go to the about section of our smartwatch. So 1822. As you can see here, 3300,456. So it is the Ultra 8. Oh, okay, let's go back. Again, I think we mistakenly tap on the wrong smartwatch. Okay, it's the Ultra 8. Okay, it's now connecting. So let's see. Okay, completed. I think we are paired now. Okay, synchronized data is complete. So are we connected? Yes, we are connected. So let's see. Tap on find. Okay, so we are connected to our smartwatch. Very easy. So far, we don't have any issues at all in pairing. Okay, so let's set the message notification. Tap on message push. So let's activate the call reminder and SMS reminder. Agree. Allow. So this is a permission. Just allow it. Allow Fitpro to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. Allow Fitpro to access your phone call logs. Just allow it. It's now set successfully. SMS reminder. Okay. So agree. Allow Fitpro to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Meeting. And we're done. How about application Facebook and Twitter? So whether to allow to open, notification read permission, just open. And let's set. Okay, Fitpro, activate. Okay, allow. Go back. And we are. Okay, we can receive now notification from Facebook or Twitter or WhatsApp application. Okay, go back. And that's it. So we are done with the notification function for or settings for our Z55 Ultra smartwatch and Ultra 8 smartwatch. Okay, so that's it on how to install the support app for your Z55 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the application installation, the Fitpro app in Android with Z55 Ultra smartwatch, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Bye.